To turn on or off smart charging in OnePlus 15, first of all we'll need to launch our settings. Next step is to scroll down, and here we need to select battery. From there we need to scroll down again, look for the battery health and click on it. There's a smart charging inside right here that you can turn on and off, and what it does, it allows you to slow down your battery aging. Your device will learn how from your charging habits and adjust the charging patterns accordingly. When your battery level reaches 80% during charging, it may automatically defer charging to 100% until shortly before you need to use it, which means in basic words, if you charge your phone for the night, for example, you plug it in on 20 and you wake up on 7, your phone will learn that pattern and stop charging at 80% at some point during the night, and then resume charging right before you're gonna wake up and unplug your device. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.